My name is Siddharth Bole and I'm from the class of 2016, graduating from Ecole Hôtelier Lavasa. So after graduating, I look back upon my 4 years. They've been really a good experience. Yeah, I was nervous at the beginning, but after completing 4 years with such good friends, I feel really comfortable. I've learned a lot and I'm ready to tackle on the industry. My first internship I did at the JW Marriott Pune in the F&B department for a period of 6 months. It's the best hotel in Asia and it was a great experience to work. I learned a lot. My second internship I did in Thailand at a hotel called Novotel Hua Hin, which was a beach resort. And I think it's the best learning experience I've had so far. This college has helped me groom and become a better person. The only reason I could go abroad and intern at such a good hotel is because of the staff available here. They helped me a lot. All the teachers are really well taught and well experienced. They're all trained at Ecole Hôtelier Lausanne. And they really supported me and guided me throughout these 4 years. We have a great hostel near the campus, which is just a small walk away. The hostel is a really friendly place with a lot of us getting to interact with each other. We have the best rooms available. When it comes to the campus, I think we have the best kitchen in the country. We really get to learn a lot. We have the best bakeries, we have wine labs, auditoriums, and all state-of-the-art equipment. I think from the beginning, I was always interested in F&B service, that is the food and beverage department. My love for beverages and serving and mixology is what got me interested in this subject. And we have a great restaurant and bar available called the Aeoli Bar. So I really honed my skills there with the help of Mr. Rajendra Nabha. I think the only way and the best way to contribute back to the college is, I think, to be successful in whatever endeavor I go for. If I do well in life, I think I can make my college proud.